Okay, so after 10 minutes, we will check how it looks like. So this is the result of our dough. So can't you see how beautiful it is, guys? Now what are we going to do this time? I will show you guys. I prepare a kind of starter 3 days ago. So our starter is just made up of water, flour, and I put 1 teaspoon of honey, pure honey, guys. So that's our starter. Now what we will do, you should add, if you want to keep part of it, you will just add a few, then keep the remaining and add another flour. It will help your bread grow. But I just want to make sure that I make a good starter, so I just add a little yeast. Although you can make a bread out of this only, the one that you call that a sourdough. But this is not enough, guys, for to make a sourdough, because it should be well grow. So this one, I was able to left it for a few days. I was not able to feed. So this is the result. Although not bad. And we will see. We will add today. So what we will do, we will add just the flour. I did not measure, guys. This one is 1 kilo flour, but I will just put a half. So 500 grams of flour. Then I will add, hang on, we need to get we'll add a little of the salt. So to balance our sugar, we need to add salt. So we will see, we will add like a spoon. In this recipe, I just add, this is a big bread, really, guys. Not only one bread. Okay, so this is a simple preparation. 2 spoon of sugar and 1 spoon of salt. And I just put it on the side. I will not mix it right away, otherwise it will kill the yeast. So we will add slowly our yeast. Hang on, guys, because looks like my camera turn around. So how beautiful our yeast, guys. So you can see if your yeast works well when it is like this. So I was thinking of having taking a photo normally. But if you want, guys, just I upload a short video on how to prepare this, just in case. Just check on my short video. Okay, so we will pour it out slowly. We will mix slowly. For this time, I'll just use a spoon. For the moment, I will use a spoon, guys. Normally, I will keep some of the starter, but I was able to use it all. It's okay. I will just prepare another one if I want to make another bread. was not able to prepare my camera holder. This is again another unplanned video, but I hope you will be with me, guys. So this dough preparation, you can adjust or make another variety of bread once this one is done. It depends on you guys. So this is a very basic bread, like a bread, a baguette. So can't you see, guys, if you are in a hurry, you can prepare it at night and mix it well, then leave it in the refrigerator, and then in the morning you have to take it out from the refrigerator and leave it outside normal temperature for 4 hours before you will rest it for another 30 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends on you guys. You can cook the bread after 4 hours. But there were also some, they will keep it like 5 hours in a normal temperature right after you take it from the refrigerator. But if you want to know if you can cook the bread right after taking from the refrigerator, yes, I was able to experience like that. But it looks like there's a difference when you leave the bread in a normal temperature. The texture and the appearance of the bread looks like not exactly the same when you cook right away after taking from the refrigerator. So that's why I usually leave it 4 to 5 hours in the normal temperature, normal environment. So actually you can make a bread just mix it and leave it in the refrigerator. If you don't want to do more of your, how will you call it, like if you develop more of the structure of the dough, you can just, it will grow on its own. But it's quite different, guys, if you make the structure of the bread. It means you will do the you will stretch more of the dough and you will do something on your dough. But you can make a bread by mixing and let it grow on its own, and then let it rise and put in the pan. But you cannot expect a well raised dough, guys. That's a big difference. Although that dough is not bad, as long as your yeast works well, as long as you will not kill your yeast. So I'm trying to utilize the remaining part of the yeast, guys. But this one, if you want to make it as a starter, you can keep it, guys, and put a water in there and cover and save it for another bread making, next bread making. So you can keep this one as long as you will add water and flour every day. It's okay. So this is it, guys. We will just mix it, and after 1 hour, if you have time, you can check it again and mix it. I will show you the little technique, guys. But at this point, if you are very occupied, you can just let it cover and check it again after 1 hour and do the work. So by this time, we will leave it like that because I'm not really ready, guys. And this one, I will keep it for my next bread, so that I could cover it right now. Oops. So. Okay. So make sure the cover is not dirty. I need to. So that's only flour, bread, salt, and a sugar. Very simple ingredient for the moment. We can add additives later if you like, but for now I will keep it like that. So we will leave it for 1 hour and we'll do it again. So again, make sure it is well covered. Before, when I make a bread, I used to put a warm towel on the top, but by this time I just leave it like that, guys, because I will check it after 1 hour. And also the warm towel will help your dough rise quickly. But with the temperature today, it's quite hot. Not really hot, but it's just hot. So we will keep it like that, make sure it is well covered. So again, that's it for the moment. Situ por lumumong. And I'll get back after 1 hour. Okay.